The photos you take on eBay can be the difference between making or missing a sale. For only spending $5, I'm going to show you how you go from taking photos like this to taking photos like this. Let's get started.
Fish in a barrel.
So what you're going to need to make a photo booth, a cheap one, are 4 pieces of foam board. You can see I've been using this for a while, so mine's a little dirty, but you got this foam. It's a little thick, it's substantial. You can hold it, it doesn't fold or anything. And some tape. Just use any tape that you have lying around. I chose masking tape because it's pretty cheap. So each one's going to be about like $1 at the dollar store, and then if you buy a roll of tape, there's $1 right there. So that's where I got the $5 from. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take 3 pieces of your foam board and just kind of lay them lengthwise like this next to each other. Now, you want to leave a little gap because since you're going to be folding them in, if you put them right next to each other, they're not going to fold. So you can leave a little gap to have some space to fold. And then the other thing is I like to store this. So on one end, I actually cut off a little bit. So you'll see if I flip this over, I can fold this side in. And since this side's a little shorter, I can now fold this side in. And then I'll take my bottom part and it's flat. I put it behind a bookshelf and I'm good to go. So let me show you this setup so you can kind of see what it looks like. So here's my photo booth setup. As you can see, the 2 main factors you're looking for is a completely white background and good lighting. I'm lucky enough to have these 2 lights on my kitchen counter, so I just put it on top of my kitchen counter. If you don't have something like that, you can just put it below a light on the ceiling, or you can pull up a lamp and get the light that way. But as you can see, I can kind of just throw anything in here and get a really good picture. My camera's not really picking it up too well, but you'll see I can just add a photo of what this looks like when I do take a picture. And the thing that I love about this is when I'm done taking photos, I can simply fold it up. Now I'm doing this with one hand, so I apologize. Get my stuff there. Pull it up, stack it, and I can put it away. Well, now you guys have a professional looking photo booth that you can use for your eBay business. The one thing that I like about this is it's very cheap. I've had mine for a little over a year and it's done wonders. The only downside is it can start to get dirty. I haven't needed to replace anything, but if that's something that bothers you, you can buy new boards and replace it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. And if you'd like me to make more videos with tips with selling things on eBay or anything like that, just comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. As always, I'll catch you guys on the flippity flap.